Hello, I'm here visiting Al-Tahir Skincare Center from the US. I chose Al-Tahir because one of my family members got their hair transplant done here, and I was very satisfied when I saw their results. So I decided to reach out to Dr. Munawwar, and he was very detailed, and he went over the whole process and everything. And for me, this was my fourth procedure in 15, 20 years, so I really wanted to make sure that I get the best results possible. And once I came to the clinic and spoke to Dr. Munawwar, he really put me at ease, and the procedure was extremely painless, smooth. The staff was wonderful, very in tuned, and very skilled as well. And it was a very painless procedure, and it was a pretty mega procedure for both of us. And you know, we were very satisfied with it, and we came back and had our head washed and everything, and so far the results look great. And you know, I would highly recommend Al-Tahir Skincare Center, especially because, you know, Dr. Munawwar is an amazing person to engage with. His staff is very professional, very skilled and detailed. So if you know, one of the places, I think this is one of the best places in Karachi, Pakistan, to have a hair transplant, just because of the instruments, knowledge, and skills that they have. So and I came all the way from US just to get this done, and I'm pretty happy with that.